Okay, I'm going to walk you through 45 and 47D. So the first thing you'd want to do is write out the ions. So we've got potassium with a 1 plus, sulfur with a 2 minus, and both of these are in their aqueous form, just like these were both in aqueous. Sorry, my pen is not, it doesn't do little things too easily. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Now I have 2 potassium, so I'm going to add that there. So I'm writing all the ions out, and I have 2 nitrogens. Oops. Sorry, I did not mean to write that. I have 2 nitrates. Okay, so now that I have the ions out, I can see who's going to combine with who to make my initial balanced equation up here. So potassium is going to get together with nitrate to make KNO3, and that will, we'll figure out if it's aqueous or solid in a minute. And then my second compound will be NIS, and we'll find out if that's going to be solid or aqueous as well. And then I need to balance this equation with a coefficient of 2 right here. Okay. Next, I need to look at the solubility rules and determine if which one of my products is going to be the precipitant. And sometimes there's not a precipitant. I'm going to go ahead and look at the rules, and KNO3 is not the precipitant because it's a nitrate. So he's AQ as well. But nickel sulfur will form a precipitant, so we're going to put a little S there. It's important to identify who your precipitant is before you finish writing your ions all out, because now I can write 2K plus 2 nitrate, and these are aqueous still. Oops, I just realized all the other ones on the other side are not aqueous. So these should have an AQ after them as well. And then the NIS, that does not get broken up into the ions because that is our precipitant. So he stays fully together like that. And then the last thing we're going to do is just write out the ions that make our precipitant. And that's nickel and sulfur. And then they form NiS solid, and these would be AQ. You add in any coefficients, but you don't need any coefficients for this. All right, it's all done.